guys, good morning. It's our second day here in Sydney and we are just getting ready. Hello? Hello. Yeah. So we're going to check out 10 o'clock and I think it's nearly 10 now, so yeah, I'm gonna keep going. So I'm just doing my makeup now, guys, and I've done my foundation, but I thought I'm gonna, you know, take my camera and then have a little chit chat with you. So here's our room, guys. I'm gonna show you quickly. Here's our room. Yes, it's pretty messy now. Yeah, oh, so dark. But yeah, I will, if I still have time later, I might show you a better room tour. But for now, I have to get ready, guys, because yeah, I have to go to the city. I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye. So hi again, guys. I am now ready. And we're just going to pack all our stuff now, and Paris is getting ready. But guys, ooh, it's so dark. There you go. So guys, you know my hair, it's just I'm going for a messy look today, guys, because we forgot our hairbrush. And you know, guys, we actually forgot the whole toiletries bag. I got the toiletries bag ready yesterday, and then I don't know, none of us actually put it in the luggage, so we forgot all it, guys. And then now last night after the Christmas party, we came back here in the hotel, and Mimi, Paris stayed here because oh my god, it was so tiring day yesterday, guys. We got home so late, and then luckily, because we're staying in the city, we are very close to everything, so we went to Chemist Warehouse to grab the things, the very important things that we need. So like, you know, my contact lens solution, moisturizer, facial cleanser, all of that things, guys, because we left it. That's an epic fail. It's really bad. Luckily, I think everything that Paris needs is here, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna start packing the bags now, guys, because it looks so messy right now. But yeah, so guys, I'm gonna give you a quick apartment tour before we leave. So as soon as you open that door, this is what you'll see. So guys, I've got everything here, guys. See, like laundry, washing machine and the dryer. Hey, and my little princess is there. But yeah, because it's an apartment, guys. You know, it's like a 2-bedroom apartment in the 17th floor. Here's the kitchen. I love it. It's so beautiful. And that's splashback though. We don't really use it, guys. We never really use it because, you know, we're just here for one night. So, and here's the dining table here, and the hi honey, the lunch room. You got TV. Good morning, princess. Honey, baby girl, baby girl. Hi. Say hi to the camera, baby. No, okay. And that's the balcony. Here's a table and chairs there. And there's a round mirror here, like a study table. It's huge, guys. So that's study mirror. Oh, the lighting is not so good, but that's it. And then from there, I'll go to the rooms. So this is Mimi's room, guys. Oh, it's so dark. But it's the 2 single beds, It's there. It also have TV and mirror on that side. And then here is the shower and the toilet and the mirror. The one, I so love this sink, guys. It's so modern. Honey, what are you doing? Get up, Baba. Get up. 'Cause it's wet. Come on. And this is our bedroom. So it's like king bed with the mirror there, and also it has TV, and you can see the outside. Put this in the bin. Yeah, that's the ensuite there, guys. But Dada is there getting ready right now, so we can't go in. Hello. Hi. But yeah, that's about it. And guys, I'm just gonna show you my OOTD. Come on, honey, I'm gonna show you your OOTD. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. This is my handbag for today. And Paris's OOTD is here. Ooh. We'll see here now. Maybe we'll show better. Hi, honey girl. No, hi. Jojo. Mark, show your OOTD, Mark. AJ was asking me yesterday if they So guys, it's really good and very kind of the company to actually do this for us, guys. So we do it every year. So they pay for the flight, they pay for the hotel that we're staying in now. Yeah, absolutely everything, because they also pay for, you know, gift. So like for all the kids, we are allowed to actually give them like $50 worth of gift, and then they will reimburse it, guys. And can you imagine, like, in the whole company, how many kids, right? But yeah, they're very generous, guys. That's why they deserve all the success, and you know, because they're very good to people. So they're a family company, guys. That's why. But yeah, we had, hi honey. Yeah. No. But yeah, we are very grateful, guys, because you know they gave us this opportunity to come to Sydney and all. But yeah, most of us, like all of my colleagues who lives in, you know, interstate, so like who lives in WA and Queensland and Melbourne, they are going home today. But us here, we're staying until Tuesday, guys. So I took an annual leave for tomorrow and Tuesday, so we're not going home. That's right, baby. Woo! Nah, honey. Yeah. So we're not going home until Tuesday night, guys. So we have time to roam around and also, you know, catch up with friends, because we have a few friends here in Sydney, which is really good. So yeah, we are now checking out. Okay. We are now checking out. Hey, so we're now checking out, guys, and then we're going to the city to meet Mike's best friend. So, and just, you know, go maybe shop around. So very exciting. Come with us, guys. See you soon. Hi guys, we're here to we're going down. We need to check out by 10, but it's 11 now. So they're gonna charge us more. Hi guys, we're just walking around Sydney City now. why, because everyone's looking at us like, what is she doing? But yeah,
Baby. Mama, yes.
we're just in Kent Street. We're going to George
Straight.
Street. Cyrus? Honey?
Baby.
Come on, dance, honey. Let's keep lighting dili. Apo! Louis Vuitton! Yay! They show your outfit here, T. Show your outfit here, ganayos kayo. Tram! Bantay ha? Video man eh. The tram here is bigger than Melbourne. Amazing. Very creative. So hi guys, we are just waiting for our friend and honey.
Wanna go? We'll go across the road to the old tunnel.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Going to the old town hall. Ito raw sa town hall. Oh. So this is the old town hall, guys.
Naman ni Kuya. Ako sa ti.
Let's go take a photo here. There.
There.
Where? Huh?
Tires can run around. Yep.
Yeah. There's the beard. The beard. Bird. Hello, bird. Where are you going, Daddy?
So tires can run around up there.
Whereabouts?
Feel that platform just there?
So guys, we're just sitting here. I don't know where we are, but we're just chilling. It's really warm in here. Honey? Hello, princess. Are you okay? Are you okay? Did you have a boo-boo? Would you like Mama sing for you? Huh? Come on, Mama will sing. Video may makasing naman. Mama will sing. Mommy, mommy, yes, baby. I hurt my knee outside today. Mommy, mommy, owie, ow. my boo boo better now. There, baby, it's okay. I know it hurts, wipe your tears away. A bandage and a kiss, just right will make your boo-boo feel alright. So it's Mimi's third time, yeah?
Yes.
Third time here in Sydney. What do you think? Your third time. Any difference from the last time?
The tram. They have tram already.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think the tram thing is new. Yeah, we're so hungry, guys.
How big is that boat? Ship.
It's bigger than bridge.
We'll go this way.
I'm involved too. Hi guys, we're in Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. Hi guys! Hi. The weather. It's perfect weather actually.
It's a bit cold because we're near
The water.
very close. Yeah.
But yes! Yes, baby.
I still laugh at
We're just gonna get ice cream, guys, because it's getting too hot. Gareth is lining up now. Hey, I'm in by too. Hi guys, we are now in Darlinghurst, guys. So we just moved to our new hotel, and yeah, we're just gonna walk around and explore.
It's across.
Yeah. So straight there, Mom?
Straight. Here.
Here? This one. Okay.
Victoria.
But yeah, that's about
Really good restaurants there.
it, guys. I think that's
Yeah.
it for today's vlog. I hope that you enjoyed the view and that before. But yeah, I'll be vlogging again tomorrow and we'll show you where we're going. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope that I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
bye.